Getting some trees cut in our backyard, and so the little trees that don't need to be chopped up just went directly in our fire pit right here. And so we just decided that we would stick the goats in here and see how much of the leaves that they'll eat in the next day, because the guy is coming back tomorrow to finish chopping up those cutting down some trees and chop up some of our things. So we're gonna move them away from this whenever he is here, but we thought that they would enjoy climbing on the trees and hiding in there. You see Bumblebee down in there, and also just eating all the leaves. So we'll see how they do.